want to talk to you today a little bit about mutual physical fights. That is where two people agree to engage in fisticuffs or a wrestling match or a fight of some sort. And this sometimes can occur between husband and wife, of course, and clients of mine will get charged, whether it's the man or woman, the others accuse them of assaulting them, and they say, look, it was a mutual fight. We consented. We were slapping each other or grabbing or punching each other. We both started at the same time and it was both consented to, or two people on the street, for example, or two people in a bar, and the client says, is that a valid defense? It's not self-defense because it was agreed to. You're not defending yourself. The short answer to this question is sometimes it is a defense and sometimes it's not. It is a defense if you didn't cause any injuries to the other person. They didn't suffer any bodily harm, for example. You're allowed to engage in a mutual fight if there's no bodily harm. And that's a case called Jobidin, R.V. Jobidin, which is a higher court decision in Canada. Now, if there is bodily harm, and bodily harm, by the way, unfortunately has been defined at a very low level. I've seen bruises be defined as even bodily harm, even minor bruises. Some judges will bend over backwards if they're really minor to say that's not bodily harm, but I've seen it. Certainly anything beyond bruises is clearly bodily harm. So the bottom line, it's not a defense if you're causing injuries in that regard, defined as bodily harm under the criminal code. So it's not like the mutual fight, one assault cancels out the other either. It's not like it's just going to go away. So the way to defend that type of charge is not necessarily by mutual, it wasn't mutual or consented. If there's bodily harm, you would have to plead guilty. The only way to defend that type of charge is if it was truly acting in self-defense. So that's the law of consent and bodily harm when it comes to mutual fights, whether it's a husband and wife, intimate partners, or strangers in a bar, for example. And that can be troubling for some people because a lot of people are under the impression that you can engage in a fight, it's a mutual fight, cause a black eye, and just walk away. Well, not if the man or woman phones the police. You're going to be charged with an assault under our Canadian Criminal Code, and you would likely be convicted unless it was in self-defense.